Hey everyone, welcome to Empower Me Today. In this video, we're exploring a life-changing idea in psychology called shadow work. Make sure to stick around until the end because we have some amazing exercises that could really transform your life. So, what exactly is shadow work? The term might sound a bit mysterious, but it's actually a well-known concept in psychology. It was first talked about by Carl Jung, a famous psychiatrist. The shadow is the part of us we don't like to think about. These could be traits, desires, or fears that we've hidden away. Now, it's important to understand that the shadow isn't just about negative traits like anger or jealousy. It can also be good qualities we've hidden away, maybe because of societal expectations or past experiences. For example, maybe you're not assertive because people told you it's rude. Shadow work is the practice of understanding these hidden parts of yourself. It's all about breaking free from what's holding you back and bringing these hidden parts of you into your awareness. This isn't about acting on every single thought or feeling. It's more about understanding them so they don't secretly influence your actions and decisions. Think of yourself as a tree. The part of the tree above ground is your conscious self, the part of you that you're aware of. But beneath the surface are roots that go deep into the ground. This is your unconscious mind, where your shadow lives. Shadow work is like taking care of those roots so that the tree, your whole self, can grow. In simple terms, shadow work is like finding the missing pieces of your puzzle. It helps you understand who you really are, not just the parts you like to show off. You might be wondering, why should I care about shadow work? All right. Let's get into the details of why this could be a turning point for you. Firstly, let's talk mental health. Your shadow can be a significant source of anxiety, stress, and other emotional burdens. By facing and understanding these hidden parts of yourself, you can find a greater sense of inner peace. Secondly, relationships. Ever wonder why you might be triggered by certain behaviors in others? That's your shadow at work. Understanding your shadow can lead to healthier relationships because you become more tolerant and understanding of both yourself and others. Thirdly, career growth. Your shadow can hold you back in your professional life by influencing your behavior in ways you're not even aware of. Maybe you're subconsciously sabotaging your success or avoiding opportunities because they trigger your insecurities. Shadow work can give you the tools to overcome these obstacles. Lastly, self-fulfillment. Imagine living a life where you're not at war with yourself, where you don't have to wear masks or pretend to be someone you're not. That's the ultimate goal of shadow work, to help you live a more authentic, fulfilling life. So, from feeling better mentally, to having stronger relationships, advancing in your career, or just being more true to yourself, shadow work offers a wide range of life-changing benefits. Before we go on, let's clear up some misunderstandings. Shadow work isn't about blaming others or acting badly. It's about understanding yourself better. Ready to dive into shadow work? It may seem a bit overwhelming at first, but don't stress. We're here to help. We've got a simple, step-by-step guide to get you started. First off, self-reflection. Dedicate some quiet time to sit alone with your thoughts. This isn't the time for judgment. It's a time for observation. Ask yourself questions like, what triggers me? Or, when do I feel most defensive? Take note of these moments. They're your first clues. Up next, journaling. Write down what you notice, think, and feel. Writing it out not only helps you remember, but it also makes your thoughts more real. Don't hold back. This journal is just for you, so be completely honest with yourself. Third step, pay attention to your dreams. Your mind is really active when you're asleep. Keep a separate journal for your dreams and look for any patterns or themes that keep showing up. These might be clues from your hidden self. Fourth step, get outside opinions. Sometimes you're too close to a situation to see it clearly. Ask people you trust, like close friends or family, what they notice about you, especially things you might not see yourself. Just a heads up, though, hearing the truth can sometimes be a bit tough. Fifth step, keep learning. Pick up some books, watch videos, or even go to workshops about shadow work and psychology. The more you understand, the more ways you'll have to tackle this journey. Final step. Think about getting professional help. Shadow work can stir up strong feelings. If it gets too much to handle on your own, it could be really helpful to talk to a trained psychologist or a certified coach who specializes in this area. Now, let's get down to some real action. Here are 3 hands-on exercises to jumpstart your journey into shadow work. Our first exercise is called Talk to Your Shadow. This uses your imagination in an active way. Find a quiet spot where you won't be interrupted. Close your eyes and picture your shadow as if it's another person sitting in front of you. Ask it questions like, "Why are you here?" Or, "What should I know about you?" Listen closely to the answers that come to mind. You might find some unexpected wisdom. The next exercise is called the mirror technique. Stand before a mirror and look straight into your eyes. Let any hidden feelings come up. Say them out loud like, "I'm angry because," or "I've always been scared of." This can be a pretty emotional experience, but it can also feel like a huge weight has been lifted. The last exercise is called role reversal. Think of it as a mini drama. Make sure you're in a comfortable space where you can be yourself. Then act out 2 roles, the you that everyone sees and the you that you keep hidden. Talk, move, and behave as each would. This exercise helps you see the differences between these 2 sides of yourself and makes it easier to bring your hidden self into the light. We know these exercises might feel a little awkward, but think about all the benefits of shadow work we've discussed earlier and try to be open to it. A word of caution: shadow work can be intense. Don't rush it. Take your time and consider seeking professional guidance. Remember, it's a journey, not a destination. And that's it, everyone. A complete guide to getting started with shadow work. If this video was useful to you, please hit the like button and share it with anyone who might benefit from it. We'd also love to hear about your own experiences with shadow work, so feel free to leave a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe for more content that can help you improve your life. Thanks for watching, and keep shining your light on